It was 4:03 a.m. Dark parking lot. Nearly empty. A single vehicle sitting with its engine off. That's how this case began. But inside the courtroom of David Fleischer, it turned into something much bigger than a routine stop. The prosecutor called the arresting officer to the stand. According to testimony, the officer approached a parked vehicle in a commercial lot during early morning patrol. The driver appeared to be asleep in the front seat. The officer initiated contact. Within minutes, the interaction escalated. The driver was ordered out of the vehicle. A search followed. Charges were filed. Defense counsel stood immediately. "Your Honor, this was not a lawful stop." The argument was simple, but powerful. The vehicle was legally parked. No traffic violation. No reported crime. No visible contraband. No erratic driving. Just a person asleep in a car. Judge Fleischer leaned forward. "What was the reasonable suspicion?" he asked the officer directly. The officer explained it was suspicious to be parked at 4 a.m. The courtroom grew quiet. Defense pushed further. Was there a call for service? A complaint? A matching suspect description?
No.
Judge Fleischer pressed again. "Is it illegal to park legally and sleep?" The officer hesitated. The prosecution attempted to frame the contact as a welfare check. Officer safety. Community caretaking. But body camera footage told a different story. The tone shifted quickly from concern to investigation. Commands were issued. A search began without clear explanation. Judge Fleischer paused the video. Then came the turning point. "The Constitution doesn't go to sleep at 4 a.m., he said firmly. The courtroom was silent. He explained that while officers can approach vehicles and check on occupants, escalating to detention or search requires lawful justification. Suspicion must be based on articulable facts, not the time of night. Defense moved to suppress all evidence obtained after the initial contact. The prosecutor argued that the defendant eventually admitted to possessing contraband. But the judge reminded the courtroom, if the stop itself crosses constitutional boundaries, what follows may not stand. After reviewing testimony and footage, Judge Fleischer granted the motion to suppress. Without admissible evidence, the case could not proceed. The charges were dismissed. Before concluding, the judge addressed the broader principle. Public safety matters. But so do constitutional limits. Courts exist to enforce both. The gavel struck. And what began as a 4 a.m. parking lot encounter ended as a powerful reminder. Rights don't depend on the clock.